This program will output the Fibonacci sequence up to a specified term by the user. We need to input first the int number equals 0. And don't forget about the semicolon. Int is short for integer. So what is integer? It is a fundamental type built into a compiler. And it used to define numeric holding whole numbers. So maybe you're wondering why we are using semicolon. Semicolon are the end statements. So what the use of console write line? It is used to print text to the console. It can also be used to print other data types and values in variables. Values stored in variables. So, para magawa natin yung program, need muna natin i-input yung number of terms ng Fibonacci sequence. Itong nilagay natin na ito, need natin siyang i-convert. Number equals convert to int 32. Console, readline, open and close parenthesis, semicolon. For also your information, convert to int 32 is to convert a string to 32 bits signed integers. At bakit tayo gumamit ng console readline? Ito ay para ma-read yung string bago tayo mag-enter ng new line. So these are the list of terms in the Fibonacci sequence: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. So, A equals 0, B equals 1, C equals A plus B, 0 plus 1 equals 1. So, magiging 1 na siya. So, A equals 1, B equals 1, gamitin ulit natin yung C equals A plus B. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So, magiging 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And 3 plus 5 equals 8. Int A equals 0, B equals 1, C semicolon. Console, right line, open and close parentheses, apostrophe, Fibonacci sequence. And ang ating semicolon. C equals A plus B. A equals B. Semicolon. C equals B semicolon. Baliktad. Yung ating bracket, then console with key, pag tapos na, ayan, pwede natin gamitin yung console with key. Ayan, try natin i-run. Nag-error. Ang mali natin ay try natin na ayan, try anong mali natin. Okay, ayan, kung makikita nyo nag-error siya kasi kailangan ganyan. Run. Ayan, 1. Ayan, Fibonacci sequence. So that's it. That's the program that will output the Fibonacci sequence up to a specified term by the user. Thank you.